Masticar, masticar. It's not to talk, but it's a similar motion. Masticar. Okay? You do this when you eat chocolate, when you eat any kind of food, really. What do you do? What do you do? You chew. So masticar means to chew. To chew. And it's used, like pretty much when you're eating, when it doesn't have any other meaning other than to chew. To chew, masticar, literally you're chewing, okay? Now, let's look at some examples using this verb. Mastica con la boca cerrada. Mastica con la boca cerrada. This is a command, and this means chew with your mouth closed. Please, por favor. I know some people, they chew, very loudly. So that's not nice. Some people don't like that. I honestly, I don't know. I don't know what to think about that, but it doesn't bother me that much. But if you want to say to someone, chew with your mouth closed, you can use the verb masticar for that. Now, let's break this down. Mastica, mastica, chew. Okay? Mastica, chew. Con la boca, with your mouth. Con, with. La, I mean, this is another thing that people in Spanish would say this very often, mastica con la boca. And in English, chew with your mouth, right? But la essentially is like saying you're in this situation, your mouth, la boca. You can say tu boca, mastica con tu boca cerrada. That's fine if you want to literally translate that. But as an expression, you can say la. This is something common that moms tell their kids, when, the kid is like, so this is a common thing to say. Mastica con la boca cerrada. And cerrada means closed. And why is it feminine? That's because we're talking about boca, la boca. Okay? That's why we need cerrada. The noun is feminine, then you need a feminine adjective. Okay? Cerrada. Closed. Don't be loud. Right? Okay. That's an interesting phrase for sure. Now, the next example, guys. María está masticando. María está masticando goma de mascar. Okay? Goma de mascar. What does this mean? María está masticando goma de mascar. This means Maria is chewing gum. María está masticando. María is chewing. Goma de mascar means gum. Okay? Now, I say chicle. Chicle. Okay? I like this term a lot. It's short and it means, gum. So I really like it. Chicle. But chicle is used mainly in Mexico. Okay? Goma de mascar is a more general term, and Latin American people will understand that term, and also people from Spain. So it's up to you which one you want to use, but I like to use chicle. Chicle. Okay? María está masticando goma de mascar. Maria is chewing gum. That's a simple verb. Nothing too complicated there.